Hi, I'm Michelle with Phoenix Flow Art. So today I'm going to do a bloom pour. I don't do bloom pours very often, but it's something that I want to get more proficient at. So I thought, why don't we start now? And at some point in time, I want to do a big bloom pour if possible. So getting some practice in. So right here, I am laying down a pillow paint. A pillow paint is equivalent to what you would do in a Dutch pour flooding the canvas. Basically, you'll have a thick layer of paint in the center. You will place your colors in that center. Then you will put a cell activator on it and blow it out to create that cell or blooming effect. So again, I'm putting on my pillow paint here. It's relatively thick, especially compared to a Dutch pour. First color I'm putting down is a brown. Followed by a copper. Then a little bit of white. And then last but not least, a gold. So now that my colors are layered, I'll go ahead and put a cell activator on it. My cell activator is a black Amsterdam paint. Then I blow that black over the colors and hopefully cells form. This is actually on a 5x5 little canvas to practice on. I do get cells. There's a lot of black in the center, so I'm blowing on it to see if I can get cells to come up. In one area, I think I blew too hard, but I did get some cells in the center too. I'm blowing out the edges, and then I will spin and tilt it. So if you like my content, please like, subscribe, and comment. Phoenix Flow Art, creating is what we do.